Hey there, today I'm going to share with you a super easy story about how to bake chicken enchiladas right in the oven. This one starts off with this homemade enchilada sauce. I promise it's easy to make, and it is so satisfying to make a delicious homemade enchilada sauce because it really sets out the whole homemade comfort food meal. So all you need to do is simmer ingredients for about 10 minutes in a pot on the stove on medium heat. Stir the onions and garlic till it's translucent. Add in all the spices. You can make it as spicy as you want. Then add in tomato sauce and chicken stock and simmer it for a little while. You could blend it smooth. I usually don't. And then I also like to prepare some sauteed onions and peppers to go inside of the chicken enchiladas and get my sides ready as well. Then it's time to mix all the filling ingredients together. I like to use the sauteed onions and peppers, some corn for sweetness, and cooked chicken. That all goes in there. You wrap it all up in a large burrito-size flour tortilla. Traditional Mexican baked chicken enchiladas are corn tortillas, so you could do that as well. Plop some enchilada sauce on the bottom of a pan, then stick on your wrapped chicken enchiladas, put some more enchilada sauce on top, layer on, basically smother it with cheddar cheese, then pop it in the oven. So you need to bake chicken enchiladas for about 15 to 20 minutes. They are ready when they are bubbling on the top, all that cheesy goodness. Take them out. You could cool them down a little bit, sprinkle them with some cilantro, maybe top them with guacamole or sour cream. These are so good. They slide right out of the baking dish, and you can print the recipes at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!